हमेशा कांग्रेस ने वोट्स लिया दलित से, ले लिया दलित्स के नाम पर, पिछड़ों के नाम पर, मुसलमानों के नाम पर,
और दिया कुछ नहीं आपको।
और दिया कुछ नहीं। जो दिया है, आई एम सिटिंग एन एग्जांपल इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. Do you think Congress can provide a candidature to a Jatav community from a general seat to do this? I am standing in front of you in two different states.
Right now, I'm here in Kota, the beautiful city known for its rich heritage and the Kota stone, and I'm joined by one of equally beautiful BJP MLA, which brings a lot of grace to this city as she campaigns heavily in favor of Om Birla, the Lok Sabha Speaker, as well as the candidate for the BJP. Ma'am, what brings you to Kota? Of course, the fact that you are BJP's youngest MLA at the age of 30. If I see Kota definitely is competing with Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, Hyderabad because of the development which this city has seen. But what brings you personally to Kota, ma'am?
So see, the very factor here is the candidate himself, Omji Birla Saab, who's the Lok Sabha Speaker, and I am very sure that he's going to be winning this election also. So I'm here possibility to go around in different constituencies for his campaigning, and I'm also looking at caste factors where we have Dalits, we have Muslims, we have minorities in these seats. So we are here to mobilize them and give them a very beautiful chance to again vote for Omji.
Right. If I take you for a tour here, I mean, I remember when you contested for the first time and then for the second time as well. Since you mentioned about the caste and communities here, it's not very easy or difficult for me to say the fact that when you defeated someone in the Mewat region, you defeated a Muslim candidate there as well.
Yes.
Is your politics today also based on the fact that Congress has been wooing minority for several years, for several decades, while BJP, on the other hand, when PM says that our former Prime Minister, that is Manmohan Singh, only made an attempt to say कि जो welfare schemes होंगी वो thrust जाना चाहिए सिर्फ minorities के ऊपर और बाकियों को ignore कर देने जाना चाहिए. So you think that sort of politics also gives us a perspective of what you are today?
See, first of all, you have to understand why people vote for you. People aren't voting for you only because it's a caste-based. Of course, it's a caste-based. In India, you cannot come out of this range, generosity of caste and gender. But people were thoroughly upset with Congress, with the policies of Congress. So it's just not about minorities. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas has been mentioned by the Prime Minister several times. So it's just not minorities. It's everybody included. Chhattis Biradi Saath Samaj ko leke saath chalna hai. So since it was a minority-dominated seat and the local awam of the place were totally against the Congress and this Congress, how it worked because of the corruption, severe corruption charges, severe jungle raj, it was a hooligan, it was a chaos.
So when you won, ma'am, at the young age of 30, you also bring with yourself a rich legacy of a Sikh mother and a Dalit father. That, I mean, I am also born in a similar semantics of the society. It gives us privilege to understand the fact that when we are raised in such a society where you are a proud daughter of a Sikh mother, do you also believe that Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas today focuses on as much Sikhism, Hinduism, Jainism in BJP, or are there any inadequacies which need to be fulfilled as well in Rajasthan?
I don't think so. See, several, all the communities across the state, across the Indian regionalities have been taken into consideration. It's just not कि आपको सिर्फ एक कम्युनिटी का वोट चाहिए तो आप इस देश में सरकार ना.
So which means that you do both your Sikh prayers and Hindu prayers?
Yes, I do involved into both Sikhs and Hindu prayers, and I'm brought up in a very religious environment, I would say. आप चाहे हिंदुइज्म को फॉलो करें चाहे सिखिज्म को फॉलो
क्योंकि मिरांडा के सामने खालसा कॉलेज भी है.
No, because then I passed out from Stephens also. Then I went to London. I have a legacy of different cultures and different countries involved and different religions, how I was brought up.
Right.
But I'm here to collaborate my own community, Dalit community, Jatav community in particularly. I'm here to give a strong message to the Muslims around कि आप बीजेपी को वोट कीजिए, ओम जी को वोट कीजिए. What are the stances?
What are the things that you liked about Kota and Om ji as well?
कोटा एक तो Tier 1 सिटी है और मैं ओम जी को इसकी बहुत शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ. इतनी सुंदर तरीके से इसका विकास हुआ है जो आपको गली गली मोहल्ले में दिख रहा है और एक बहुत ही अपकमिंग सिटी है पूरी स्टेट का. और जिस तरीके से ओम जी ने लोगों को अपने साथ जोड़ा है, भाजपा की नीति के साथ जोड़ा है, उनको शुभकामनाएं देना चाहते हैं.
When learned people like you, who bring so much of laurels, who bring so much of strong academic credentials, with such brilliant alma mater that you named off and the names that you rattled off, does it also make a significant factor to those downtrodden Dalits who for several years have fought the caste war and give them a strong message that, look, here there is a young candidate who has elected on the ticket of BJP, and here who is the candidate who has strongly followed the credentials of the party, wants to tell that development, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas is the top message for the Saffron party, and that 10 years of rule is much bigger than the 60 years of Congress, where we also saw a focus on equally Dalits and OBCs.
I am the first example in the state where a Jatav is being made to contest from a general seat. अगर कांग्रेस ने कभी ये किया है तो मुझे आप बताइए, एक एग्जाम्पल बता दीजिए. इस देश में 2 स्टेट से भाजपा ने मुझे चुनाव लड़ाया, वॉज मेड टू कंटेस्ट फ्रॉम 2 seats, 2 general seats in 2 different states. Do you think there is a bigger example than this?
उसी का नाज आप राजस्थान में कोटा में लाएंगे.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. एंड व्हाट बीजेपी इज डूइंग टू दलित्स हैज, हमेशा कांग्रेस ने वोट्स लिया दलित से, ले लिया दलित्स के नाम पर, पिछड़ों के नाम पर, मुसलमानों के नाम पर.
और दिया कुछ नहीं आपको.
पर दिया कुछ नहीं है. पर जो दिया है, आई एम सेटिंग एन एग्जाम्पल इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. वुड यू थिंक दैट यू नीड अ वाइडर एग्जाम्पल देन दिस? Do you think Congress can provide a candidature to a Jatav community from a general seat? Do you think so? How many examples do you have? We have this. I am standing in front of you in 2 different states.
Right. So that was one of the BJP stellar. Thank you, ma'am. That was one of the BJP stellar candidate here in Kota, speaking to us on the New Union. Keep following us for such exciting interactions and for such vibrancy that we bring into our coverage.
वोट पे चर्चा रोहन दुआ के साथ